Hey, I'm Brian, co-founder and CEO of LeadTruffle, and today I'm excited to take you on a product tour so you can understand exactly how LeadTruffle can help your business grow. We do two things. Number one, we help turn your website visitors into paying customers through AI texting, and then we do the same thing for your phone. So we follow up with all of your missed calls immediately via text message, and then take that missed call and turn them into a paying customer. And at the end, I'll show you our new beta, which is going to be live AI voice answering. With all that said, let's get right into the demo. So we're going to start here on Proven Plumbing, a longtime customer of ours and a great customer of ours. And I'm on this site to show you our website texting widget. So instead of a long form where you're asking 10 or 15 questions and then asking the lead to submit, or a traditional web chat experience where if the lead drops off, you don't know who they are and can maybe never get them back. What we do is focus on capturing just the name and the phone number of the lead, leaning into the average response time of less than 1 minute. It's more like a few seconds. People are impatient, and so we just say, hey, give us your name, give us your phone number, and we'll immediately text you. And from there is where the AI takes over and has a text message conversation on the individual lead's phone, asking them what they need, gathering all the qualifying data, providing all the information they need, and then booking the job or appointment or whatever that next step is for you. So this website texting widget is really the core website aspect here. We also do have a website embed, which you'll see here, your name and phone number. This is Dog Drop, a popular dog daycare franchise. And so for their leads, they submit either here on the website embed and get the text, or they use the website texting widget down here. And then lastly, we do have a pop-up so that if a lead is on the fence and maybe getting ready to leave the website, this pop-up can show offering them some type of special deal like $50 off their packing services and get that lead before they bounce and go pick a competitor. So once someone's on your website and submits, or they call your phone and you don't pick up, which happens, and we text them back, what happens from there? So let's go into LeadTruffle to look at a real conversation. This is a real conversation with a real lead where the person is reaching out, looking for some help, and basically submitted on the website, and the text went out, said, hey, thanks so much for reaching out. How can we help you today? The lead then provides a bunch of information around how the AC has been blowing warm air, how they've hired this company before for plumbing, and realizing now that they also do HVAC, which is great. The AI is not just going to send some templated robotic response. It's going to be reading that message and then providing a warm, empathetic response, basically saying, hey, got it. Your AC is blowing warm air. We offer weekend repairs, and then going back and forth. So in this case, the lead is asking about the service fee. I'll show you at the end how Proven Plumbing handles this with human takeover. If Proven wanted the AI to provide pricing, simply would need to provide that down here in the settings of the account. In this case, they don't have the AI provide pricing, so the AI lets them know that a human will jump in soon. Anyways, the conversation goes on. We're getting pictures of the thermostat so we understand the brand and getting all of that good information. Now, at the end here, Proven has a variety of really senior CSRs who then pause the AI and take over the conversation, which you can see here. Good afternoon, Marjorie. This is Chelsea with Proven Plumbing. I can see about getting someone out today. Here are the fees, etc. So the AI is not meant to replace human beings. It's meant to make human beings more efficient. If it's off hours, if the CSRs are busy, the AI can handle the initial inquiry and also filter out some of the tire kickers. If the person thinks it's going to be $5 to come out, you can let the AI handle that person and let the human focus on the more valuable tasks. So that is an example of a website conversation from the website widget to text message conversation. Now, what does a missed call follow-up look like? The other important part of LeadTruffle. That's going to be here. So the way it works is that when your phone rings, if you can't pick up, you send us the missed call, and we're going to capture the voicemail from that lead. You can see the transcript down here of the voicemail, and we could play back and listen to the voicemail here. And so immediately a text goes out to that lead. We get the text message opt-in, and then the qualification takes place in the same way that it did from a website texting lead, where we're getting all the information, we're getting pictures of the water heater, so on and so forth. So instead of this lead leaving a voicemail and maybe never hearing back, or not leaving a voicemail and picking the next competitor on Google, they get an immediate text, they're immediately qualified, and a lot of goodwill is built until the human takes over and books the job, in this case, how Proven runs it. So that is really the website texting and missed call in a nutshell. You may be asking yourself, hey, Brian, how does the AI know what to say? So there's a few ways that we handle that. One is in settings, we have a bunch of information about your company, products and services, and pricing, which can be generated from your website with one click. And then you can also update it as you see fit. And then additionally, we have this lead qualifier here. So the lead qualifier is something that we can help you write. We have a bunch of templates, or you can write on your own, and just think of it as instructions for the AI as to what to ask, the tone it should use, and all of the other things you want to give it to guide those conversations. So in summary, we have the website texting, the missed call follow-up. All of the conversations are going to be held here in the inbox. We have a bunch of different notifications you can set up across email and text, a bunch of great integrations with popular CRMs as well as Zapier. And yeah, we'd be happy to help you grow your business through website texting and missed call follow-up. Now, while I have you, if you're still watching, I do want to tease our new beta, which is AI call answering, where instead of a text back, a live AI voice agent can pick up the phone, and let's see together what that looks like now.
Hey, this is Kylie at Hometown HVAC. How can I help you today?
Hey, Kylie, this is Brian. I've hired you guys in the past for some work, but my AC is totally on the fritz, and it's super hot here in Austin, so need some help.
Thanks for reaching out, Brian. I'm sorry to hear your AC is giving you trouble, especially with this heat. When were you hoping to have someone come take a look at your AC?
Yeah, as soon as possible.
Got it. You're looking to get help as soon as possible. Could you please tell me your address so I can make sure you're in our service area?
Yeah, Kylie, do you have my address from the last time I booked with you guys about a month ago?
Yes, I do see your address on file as 138 Pink Granite Boulevard in Austin, Texas, 11740. Is that still the correct address?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, thank you for confirming. Can you tell me the brand of your AC unit and about what year it was installed?
Yeah, it's a Generac, and it came with the house, which is built in 2021.
Thanks, Brian. So it's a Generac unit installed in 2021. Is
Yep.
there anything else you'd like us to know about the? Great, thanks for confirming. Is there anything else we should know about the issue with your AC or anything special about your setup that might help our team prepare?
No, I'm just curious, is there a service fee or a minimum for you guys to come out?
Good question, Brian. There is a minimum service fee of $150 per visit. The final quote will be provided by the technician once they check out the issue on site.
Okay, so you said it's 150 to come out?
The minimum service fee is $150 for a technician to come out. Any additional costs will depend on what the tech finds after looking at your AC.
Got it.
Thank you for letting me know everything. A team member will reach out soon to schedule your service. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thanks, Kylie.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling Hometown HVAC. We'll be in touch soon to set up your service. Hope your AC is back to normal quickly. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. Bye. So yeah, that's our new product coming soon in addition to website texting and missed call text back. So yeah, with that, let me hang up that call there. With that, thanks so much for watching. And if we can help you, check us out, LeadTruffle.com, Brian at LeadTruffle.com. Happy to help and get you on our 14-day trial and see how this works for your business. Thank you.